Okay, today we're at the engineering showcase at the University Centre of the college, where we talk to HNC and HND students in engineering about some very important projects they're doing. The projects are done both for their companies they work with and as a way of demonstrating for college what they're doing. So, hello Ryan. Tell me what course it is you're on.
So we're studying the HNC Mechanical Engineering course. So my project is the automation of a 51-way solder cut connector. You can see a sample here and the image below. So these connectors we make to go from all types of industry, and what we have is small solder cut connectors at the back that are placed in, and then the customer can place as many solder cups and cables in the back as they like. So what we've decided to do is we currently have a manual process placing these tiny little contacts into the shell. We can get one of them out in about 7 minutes, but we've had an order of 14,000, so unfortunately that's just, the time is crazy for that. So what we've decided to do is automate it. So we've chosen a company called MTC, and if you can see here, we've got all different types of systems that we've developed and worked with to sort of change it. So we started with a few bowl feeders to sort of feed the contacts and the shells in, but from a large amount of development we've moved to this system on the right, which sort of features a tray loading system that we can load these connectors onto just like this, and then we can populate each contact and connector in 2 minutes rather than 7. So we've managed to save a lot of time with them.
Right, so is this actually going to become live at work for you, this project?
Yeah, so this, as soon as this is placed into production, this will be running 24/7. We can place it on at 4 o'clock in the evening and then come back to it to a fully populated shells in the morning.
Brilliant.
So on the right we can sort of see the company that we've chosen to work with. So this is an external contractor known as MTC down in Coventry, and this company is working very closely with Glenair to help develop this system. These are the sort of stages that we move through that MTC focus on. So our first stage all the way to our fourth stage 3.1 with the integrator is all working through system development and sort of how we can develop this system to work for what we need it to. So the end effector that we've chosen to populate our contacts is made by SMAC, SMAC, and it features a force end effector that can pick up the contacts through a tiny little pneumatic tube and then place the contacts into the insulator that you saw at the beginning.
So it's very complex
engineering. Yeah, and with the size of it, I mean, you're looking at about 0.2 for the diameter of these at 0.2 millimeters, so it's incredibly tiny, and to sort of get something that can place these tiny contacts into this shell is a big challenge, but we believe that the system we've got will definitely help our production and massively reduce lead times.
Sounds like a project well done then.
Yeah, hopefully it all works well.
And how's it been running a sort of college project alongside to show this? Has it helped you expand your skills?
Yeah, definitely. Obviously working as an apprentice, having this sort of experience in work has definitely helped obviously move it to college as well. And with the context and detail that we've got, I mean, you can see everything that we've been supplied and obviously found out ourselves is just fantastic to help with all our project needs. So it's been very helpful.
Brilliant. Well, thank you and good luck with future projects.
Thank you.